Video inclusion, execution synopsis. Most recent news, Jasmy value standpoint today. Is Jasmy coin a wise venture? Most recent Jasmy video. Will Jasmy hit $1 in dollars, $100? Jasmy value forecast 2023 to 2030. Jasmy coin most recent news, Karmaverse and Jasmy casting a ballot power declare cooperative organization. This organization will permit Karmaverse to use JVP's mastery in administration and compensations to furnish its clients with a seriously fulfilling and drawing in experience. JVP can likewise take advantage of Karmaverse's enormous and dynamic local area to assist with developing its own client base. Jasmy Award has declared the victor of its $100 K award, which following a drawn-out casting a ballot cycle was granted to Jasmy JVP. Jasmy MGT will presently assist with speeding up Jasmy JVP's turn of events and activity, and they welcome more groups to go along with them. Jasmy's exchanging pair on Binance. US is being delisted. In any case, Jasmy will keep up with correspondence with Binance US and keep on advancing their center plans and advancement guide. Jasmy value expectation 2023, 2025, 2030. Jasmy value expectation 2023 is $0. Jasmy value forecast 2025 is 1 cent. Jasmy value expectation 2030 is 5 cents. Jasmy value expectation for the following 6 hours. Jasmy cost for the following couple of hours will be in the scope of 0.00457 and 0.00470. Jasmy coin value forecast today. The moving midpoints demonstrate serious areas of strength for opinion for JASMY. The relative strength file shows a worth of 35.314, demonstrating a sell feeling. The stochastic oscillator has a worth of 35.952, proposing a sell signal. The stochastic RSI shows an oversold condition with a worth of 7.823. MACD has a worth of 0.000, showing a sell signal. ADX shows a worth of 21.410, proposing a nonpartisan position. The Williams % R pointer has a worth of 87.143, demonstrating an oversold condition. ATR shows a worth of 0.0002, proposing lower unpredictability. Jasmy coin value forecast. Is Jasmy coin a wise venture? Jasmy is a blockchain stage zeroed in on giving information security and sharing administrations in the IoT period. As an association, Jasmy creates decentralized IoT stages utilizing a decentralized stockpiling organization. As an association, Jasmy creates decentralized IoT stages utilizing a decentralized stockpiling organization. Jasmy stage is utilized to make and keep up with the framework essential for putting away, getting to, and trading information by the information proprietors. Jasmy's blockchain stage is utilized to recuperate and safeguard individual information. The Jasmy stage gives the framework important to information proprietors to store, access, trade, and in any case utilize their own information safely and securely. The metaverse applications based on the Jasmy organization can trade information between themselves utilizing the Jasmy innovation. Here are different realities about Jasmy crypto. Key steps in the initial step. With the assistance of the Web of Things, clients can securely store code, text, data, pictures, recordings, movement, and sound for metaverse utilizes. Whenever this is finished, Jasmy gives a permanent, special, and decentralized character arrangement. It helps the blockchain to lay out a computerized personality. In the following stage, the Jasmy convention empowers the creation and capacity of characters, gear, skins, and other metaverse game resources as non-fungible tokens. Jasmy blockchain likewise gives a stage to utilizing IoT innovations, sensor modules, increased reality, and VR gadgets. The clients are even permitted to trade the Jasmy coins with merchandise identical to the worth of the Jasmy coin on Jasmy's co-administrators. Jasmy organizations. Toyota Jasmy coin has collaborated with Toyota, an auto organization, to construct a stage for recording traveler information for Japan. It has likewise collaborated with WITS, a movement specialist co-opus, to satisfy the above reason. According to Jasmy's white paper, with this association, Jasmy intends to be the first to understand Japan's business plot of driverless vehicles. Sony. A couple of days prior, a declaration said that Jasmy could before long collaborate with the world's one significant diversion organization, Sony. Will Jasmy hit $1? How is Jasmy unique? Jasmy is intended for IoT, the Web of Things. Presently, what is the Web of Things? IoT, or the Web of Things, is the association between gadgets through the web, empowering the sharing and getting of information between these gadgets. The gadgets could be PCs, vehicles, telephones, and so forth. As a blockchain, Jasmy is worried about metaverse information security and trade. With the universe of metaverse extending, one huge issue inside the metaverse and blockchain universes is the absence of a successful, decentralized information capacity framework. Jasmy becomes possibly the most important factor in this field and accordingly separated itself from the remainder of the blockchain. with metaverse applications based on the organization can lay out direct scaffolds for information trade between themselves. Jasmy offers a protected, client-situated climate in which information can be put away, saved, or traded. To accomplish this, Jasmy follows 4 stages. The means are metadata stockpiling, making an ID vivid games, universes, IoT gadgets, and hardware. Jasmy contenders MXC. MXC is utilized to distribute, sell, and exchange information on an NFT commercial center. It utilizes a publicly supported IoT organization. VeChain. VeChain is normally utilized in store network the executives. It is likewise used to distribute, sell, and exchange information on an NFT commercial center. Helium. Helium is utilized to oversee low-volume information to the web for a minimal price. The main part of Jasmy's rivals is customary undertaking programming security firms. Jasmy Coin is a utility token and depends on the ERC20 convention. Jasmy Coin. The ERC20 coin assumes a significant part in controlling the stage. It is the local badge of the Jasmy environment, and hence it is utilized as administration as well as a gaming token on Jasmy games. Jasmy Coin is utilized for purchasing in-game resources in Jasmy games. Jasmy is utilized for marking and as well as remunerations on the Jasmy stage. Since Jasmy is worried about information security, Jasmy Coin is utilized to get to information accessible in Jasmy's information storage spaces. Jasmy Coin is additionally utilized for deciding on the Jasmy stage. Subsequently, is Jasmy Coin a wise speculation? While it surely offers a few benefit and security, the interest for Jasmy tokens is probably not going to be enormous as shoppers and organizations have different choices. Thusly, Jasmy is totally reliant upon overabundance liquidity to develop, in aggregate, a profoundly speculative digital money. This is shown in the exhibition this year. Dissimilar to most altcoins, Jasmy started to fall a whole lot sooner in February and has lost 95% of its worth. It has fallen a further 24% over the most recent few weeks, inferable from the FTX embarrassment. It is conceivable that Jasmy will recuperate soon, however, that is provided that the utilization cases grow and there is an adequate base market for such a digital currency. Will Jasmy hit $1? Is it plausible? There are various issues with Jasmy. It is working in a profoundly cutthroat business with various choices for shoppers and organizations as an outcome. The interest for Jasmy tokens is probably not going to develop essentially consistently. Therefore, Jasmy has been reliant upon the central bank's overabundances. Jasmy should rise 256x to reach $1. That means a market cap of $4.70 billion. Numerically and in principle, this is plausible. Numerous tokens have figured out how to accomplish this objective. Nonetheless, there must be serious advancement in Jasmy Coin use cases to legitimize these levels. Right now, we can say that Jasmy is probably not going to arrive at these levels. Jasmy Coin value forecast. Will Jasmy Coin reach $10? Jasmy Coin's ongoing business sector cost is $0. Subsequently, it expects to develop by multiple times to arrive at a value level of $10. Presently, JASMY arrived at its record-breaking high worth of $4.30 in February 2021, where it developed by around 3.3 times